Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the asset. Open Photos and make sure it's a live photo. Once confirmed, tap Share, choose Use as Wallpaper, and make sure the live photo toggle is enabled. That switch is the actual permission for animation. Set it specifically as your lock screen. Live wallpapers play on the lock screen only. Once done, lock the iPhone and prepare to test with a firm long press to trigger the animation. This is the core step that enables the motion. Next, you inspect system settings that commonly block animation. Go to Settings, right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Motion, and turn off Reduce Motion because it can limit live photo playback. Make sure Low Power Mode is off in Settings, right arrow Battery, since that can throttle effects. Also update iOS to the latest release and perform a restart to clear temporary glitches. These steps remove global restrictions so the wallpaper can animate. Make sure each change is applied before testing again to rule out software-level interference. Finally, you test and finalize. Lock the iPhone and long press the lock screen to trigger the live photo. Short taps won't work. If it still doesn't animate, force restart the device to clear cache services and then reapply the live photo wallpaper. If problems persist, reset all settings as a targeted troubleshooting step or try a different live photo to isolate the file versus system issue. One key tip: test with another live photo first. If that works, replace the original asset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.